Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on hopefully our countertops, but before we get started on countertops I want to go and hang a couple of light fixtures so I can get some light in here. It's a little easier to work. It's kind of dark. So we'll start by getting this kitchen light hung here. We'll get the dining room light behind us, and that way we'll have some light in here where we can work. And then we'll do some countertops, possibly maybe a few other things. Don't know yet. So let's get started. Okay. Wow. Got flooring stuff all over the ceiling. Okay. Start with this. Oh, that's the right side. I might have to trim it a little bit. It's an old game workbox. It's got these little ears on it. It just slides up in. Then you tighten up these screws and it holds it in place. Let's figure out where we got to put it. I can't see. Ruh-roh. Is it the bulb? Huh, bad bulb. Don't hate me because of the light fixture. It's what I have. For this light up here, we've got this pendant light we're going to hang up there. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that what I do is I buy a lot of this stuff on clearance and I'll store it up. This light cost $5. It's a lot better than spending $65 or $70. So I'll put this light up and it'll work great. Yeah, I was going to use that one. Well, you know what? Look, should I use that one? Change of plans. I'm not going to use that one. I got a different chandelier I'm going to use. I think it'll look better. Now, if you've never put any of these up, you'll note that on the wires here, one side has a rib on it. That is your neutral, that's your white wire. The other side that does not have a rib on it is your black wire. Okay. Something ain't right. Okay, now we get to troubleshoot and find out what's going on. That's the awkward moment when you realize you didn't turn the breaker on. too.
Okay, can you get your hand underneath there? Hold on.
Yeah, backwards.
What I probably need to do, right there, see if I got the gap right there? I probably need to come right there and trim a little off like that. Okay, that's just straight at 36. All the drawers can go back. Countertops are done. Well, I think we're going to call it a day. Got all the countertops cut and put in. Got a couple lights installed. 3 lights, I guess. The light I had for the hallway, no good. I have to see about getting a different one. Got a few other things tidied up, receptacles, some covers and stuff. We'll pick up again next time. Maybe with doing some doors or trim or something like that, because we're moving right along and it's going to be not too long before we're done. All right, let me give you a quick shot of this before we get out of here, and we'll see you next time. Well, so this happened. Yay me.